3 times a day, take a moment to pause and refocus your energy. And this consistent practice can set the stage for profound shifts in your life. Whether it's morning, noon, or night, each session is an opportunity to realign your thoughts with your intentions, clarify your goals, and reinforce your commitment to achieving them. By integrating this simple routine, you engage actively with the law of attraction, setting the foundation for manifesting your desires with intention and precision. Let's explore how these thrice daily touch points can transform your approach and help you harness the full potential of your aspirations. To kickstart our 3-day journey with the law of attraction, the first step is to set a clear and precise intention. An intention is not just a wish, it is a powerful statement of desire backed by commitment and clarity. This is your opportunity to define what you truly want to attract into your life. Whether it's a new job, a sense of peace, or a new relationship, clarity is your greatest ally. Start by taking a quiet moment to reflect on what you most desire. It's important to be specific. For instance, instead of vaguely wishing for happiness or success, narrow down exactly what form these will take in your life. What does happiness look like for you? Is it spending more time with family, achieving a personal goal, or perhaps improving your health? By being specific, you direct your energy more effectively towards creating that reality. Once you have zeroed in on your desire, it's time to articulate this into a well-defined intention. Write it down in a present tense positive format as if it is already happening. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be stressed," frame it positively. "I am experiencing peace and calm daily." This positive phrasing helps your mind to visualize and work towards this reality actively. Setting your intention is just the start. Reinforcing it continuously over the next 3 days is key. Each morning when you wake up and each night before you go to bed, take a few moments to reaffirm your intention. This constant reinforcement signals to your subconscious that you are serious and ready to receive what you've asked for. Once your intention is set, the next crucial step is aligning your emotions with what you want to attract. Emotional alignment means your feelings are in harmony with your intentions, creating a powerful magnet for your desires. If your emotions conflict with your intentions, this can act as resistance, blocking what you wish to manifest. To achieve emotional alignment, begin by observing your current emotional state. How do you feel about the intention you've set? Are there doubts, fears, or anxieties associated with it? These are natural, but they can hinder your manifesting process. Address these feelings by acknowledging them and then gently guiding your emotions to match your desires. Practical techniques can help you shift your emotional state. For example, visualization is a powerful tool. Spend a few minutes each day picturing your life as it will be when your intentions have manifested. Imagine the emotions you'll feel, the people around you, and the activities you'll be engaged in. This exercise not only helps in emotional alignment, but also strengthens your connection to your desires. Another effective method is through meditation. Meditating on your intention can calm any turbulent emotions and clear your mind of negativity. It allows you to create a peaceful inner environment where your desires can flourish. Start with short, focused sessions of about 5 minutes, concentrating solely on the feelings your desired outcome arouses in you. The law of attraction is not just about thinking, but also feeling. The emotions you cultivate will set the tone for the experiences you attract. Therefore, maintaining a positive emotional state that aligns with your intentions is paramount over these 3 days. This alignment assures that your energy vibrates at a frequency that matches your desires, pulling them into your reality. Building upon the foundation of setting your intention and aligning your emotions, let's look into the powerful practice of visualization. Visualization is not just about dreaming or wishing. It's an active tool in manifesting your desires through the law of attraction. It involves picturing your life as it will be when your intentions have come to fruition, engaging all your senses to make the experience as real as possible in your mind's eye. Start each day of this 3-day journey with a 5-minute visualization session. In the quiet of the morning, find a comfortable spot where you can relax without interruption. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths to center yourself. Once you feel calm and present, begin to construct in your mind the reality you wish to create. See yourself living out your intention, whether it's thriving in a new job, enjoying a peaceful relationship, or celebrating an achievement. Try to feel the emotions associated with these experiences: joy, satisfaction, peace. The more vividly you can imagine these scenarios, the more real they become to your subconscious mind, which plays a crucial role in manifesting them into your life. To enhance your visualization, you might find it helpful to use a vision board or a series of photographs that represent your goals. These visual aids can serve as daily reminders and focal points for your visualization practice. Each time you engage with your vision board, reaffirm your intention and allow the visualization to fill you with positive energy and motivation. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your visualization and help maintain a high vibrational frequency conducive to manifesting. They work by programming your mind to believe in the possibility of achieving your desires and by boosting your confidence to take actions that will lead to your goals. Craft a set of affirmations that resonate deeply with your intention. For instance, if your goal is to feel more empowered and confident, your affirmations could be: I am confident in my abilities and make valuable contributions every day. Or, I am deserving of success and accept opportunities with open arms. It's crucial that these affirmations are in the present tense to signal to your brain that these conditions are not just future possibilities, but current realities. Repeat your affirmations multiple times throughout the day, especially after your visualization sessions. You can say them out loud, whisper them to yourself, or even write them down in a journal. Each repetition is a step towards deepening the belief in your intention. Morning is a particularly powerful time to set the tone for the day, but repeating affirmations before sleep can also influence your subconscious mind during rest, which is a powerful ally in the manifestation process. While we progress through our journey with the law of attraction, it's crucial to address and release any resistance that may be obstructing the path to manifesting your desires. Resistance can manifest as doubts, fears, or persistent negative thoughts that contradict your intentions. Identifying and clearing these barriers is essential for allowing your desires to materialize. Start by reflecting on any feelings of discomfort or anxiety that arise when you think about your goals. Acknowledge these feelings without judgment. Understanding that resistance is often rooted in past experiences or fears about the future is important. To release resistance, focus on staying present and grounded. Engage in deep breathing exercises or mindfulness practices to center your thoughts and emotions in the present moment where you have the power to affect change. Another effective method for overcoming resistance is through the practice of forgiveness, both towards yourself and others. Holding on to past grievances or self-criticism can block positive energies from flowing into your life. Dedicate a few minutes each day to mentally forgive anyone or anything that contributes to your resistance, including yourself. This process not only liberates emotional space, but also aligns your heart and mind with the frequencies of your desires. Gratitude is a powerful frequency that enhances your ability to manifest by shifting your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. By appreciating what you already have, you create more room to receive. Integrating gratitude into your daily routine can significantly amplify the effects of the law of attraction. Each evening, spend some time reflecting on the day and jotting down at least 3 things for which you are grateful. These can be as simple as a good meal, the comfort of your home, or a productive day's work. The key is to genuinely feel gratitude as you reflect on these blessings. This emotion is what activates the law of attraction, drawing more goodness into your orbit. Incorporate gratitude into your morning affirmations and visualization practices. As you envision your desires manifesting, internally express gratitude as if those desires have already been fulfilled. This not only reinforces a positive mindset, but also signals to the universe that you trust in its abundance and are ready to receive more. The concept of acting as if can be a transformative element in the law of attraction. This approach involves behaving and feeling as though your intentions have already been realized.
It's about aligning your daily actions and emotions with the reality you wish to create, thereby reinforcing the belief that your desires are within reach.
Begin each day by setting a mental agenda to live out your intentions. If your goal is to be more confident, approach your daily interactions with assertiveness and a positive outlook. If you aim for abundance, manage your finances and make decisions as if your resources are already expanding. This practice not only prepares your subconscious for accepting these changes, but also makes you more receptive to the opportunities that align with your aspirations. Consistency is key in the practice of acting as if. Throughout the day, remind yourself of your intentions and adjust your actions accordingly. This doesn't mean ignoring your current reality, but rather choosing to respond from a place where your future intentions are already fulfilled. This shift in behavior and mindset significantly contributes to turning your desires into reality by maintaining a high vibrational frequency aligned with your goals. Your connection with the universe plays a pivotal role in the law of attraction. It's about recognizing that you are not alone in your journey and that the universe is a willing and supportive partner in manifesting your desires. Strengthening this connection can enhance your trust in the process and deepen your sense of peace and assurance that your intentions will materialize. One way to strengthen your connection is through meditation. Dedicate a few minutes each day to sit quietly, clear your mind, and simply exist in the moment. Focus on the feeling of being part of a larger existence and open yourself to receiving guidance and support from the universe. You may use guided meditation specifically designed to enhance connectivity, or simply enjoy the silence, allowing your thoughts to pass without attachment. Another method is to spend time in nature. Being outdoors and observing the natural world can remind you of the universe's vastness and intricate balance, reinforcing your trust in its power to orchestrate big changes in your life. Whether it's a walk in the park, time spent by the water, or simply sitting under a tree, being in nature can help you feel more grounded and connected. While we approach the end of our 3-day journey with the law of attraction, it's crucial to engage in reflection and adjustment. This stage is about assessing the progress you've made, understanding your experiences, and making necessary adjustments to your approach. Reflection is a tool that ensures your actions and intentions remain aligned and are effectively driving you towards your goals. At the end of each day, take some time to quietly reflect on the events of the day. Consider the moments where you felt most aligned with your intentions and those where you felt distant or resistant. Ask yourself what triggered these feelings and how you responded to various situations. This introspection can reveal significant insights about your emotional and behavioral patterns that either support or hinder your manifestation process. Based on your reflections, decide if any adjustments are needed. For instance, if you find that certain thoughts or activities trigger negative emotions or resistance, think about how you can minimize these triggers or change your response to them in the future. Similarly, if a particular practice, like meditation or affirmations, feels particularly powerful, consider incorporating more of that into your routine. Adjusting your strategy based on personal feedback is a dynamic way to enhance your manifestation capabilities. While we conclude our 3-day exploration of the law of attraction, it's important to evaluate the changes that have occurred and plan how to move forward. Buford, what do you think of the last 3 days of experience? Evaluation involves looking back over the past 3 days to recognize any shifts in your thoughts, feelings, and realities. Even subtle changes can indicate that you are on the right path to fully manifesting your intentions. Consider the new habits you've started, the shifts in your mindset, and any signs or progress toward your goals. Have you noticed a change in your overall attitude? Are you feeling more positive and aligned with your desires? Recognizing these changes is crucial as they validate the effectiveness of your efforts and provide motivation to continue. While you plan forward, think about how you can integrate the practices from this 3-day guide into your daily life. Manifestation is an ongoing process that benefits from consistent practice and belief. Set yourself a routine that includes setting intentions, visualizing, affirming, reflecting, and connecting with the universe. By continuing these practices, you maintain the momentum needed to fully realize your desires.